On Friday, Work Skills had hosted a training session for all apprentices around Queensland. The apprentices that haven't had much experience in cooking methods, using equipment, just preparing a range of different dishes. So we decided to host a training session in preparing cakes, pastries and breads, just to encourage more of the students in enjoying, loving, just getting the skill and practical knowledge, what they don't normally gather in a commercial kitchen. We had a variety of different students come from all different workplaces, some from pubs, some from cafes, some from hotels, and basically we all got together at 12 o'clock. We planned a step-by-step process on what we're doing, what the outcome was through the session. So at the start, we basically prepared all the doughs, we prepared all the pastries. We had to let it proof until we could actually knead it and fold it and cook it. I got the students into pairs because in a commercial kitchen, you are working as a team and you do need to enjoy what you're doing. You need to work in a quick pace, quick environment, go, 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 go. All chefs should know the fundamentals of all the basic commercial cookery practices, especially when you're preparing cakes, pastries and breads. The outcome of this training session was to basically help the apprentices and chefs that haven't got the utilities and equipment at the workplace. We basically take them through all the practices, all the cooking methods, using all this equipment we have on hand to help them move forward in their next step as a chef.